In this video, we will show you how to use Statista for market research. If you guys want to get started with Statista, you can use the links down in the description. There are several ways to find content on the Statista platform. You can access individual topic and overview pages via the statistics menu. You can also directly use the search function. There are two ways to do so. The first one is that the search field on the home page. Second, the search field at the top right of every page. Market Insights provides you with easy-to-use data on over 1,000 markets and industries to identify market potential. You can start browsing through the Market Insights with just a few clicks. Next, navigate to the Insights tab in the menu and select your preferred topic, like digital. Otherwise, go to the Overview page to find out more about each insight and get a detailed overview. If you're looking for specific data, simply type your keywords into the search bar and use the Expert Tools content filter. You will see a list of search results linked to the selected market insights that match your requests. So that's how to use Statista for market research. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Statista. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.